What's the name of your business?
Fit for everybody.
What problem does Fit for Everybody solve?
The issue of women's wear fit and sizing from the design stage.
How does Fit for Everybody solve this problem?
Fit for Everybody has an integrated design platform to help improve fit and sizing between designers and factories from the idea of concept.
How big of a market is this?
This is a $64 billion a year problem for the apparel industry.
How do you make money?
We're a subscription platform to designers and factories.
What does your traction look like to date?
We just went through a year of beta with 20 clients, and we are transitioning to a paid platform.
What inspired you to start this business?
I have a background in design and got to see the beautiful disaster of the apparel supply chain from the inside. So I went to business school, and that's where I started Fit for Everybody.
What's one challenge you faced while building this business?
What the industry is ready to accept and excited about using. Our goal is for it to be a really low lift to integrate.
What's the savviest thing you've done as a founder?
Going for an all remote team so that we're finding talent from all over.
When's the moment you realized that this business would succeed?
When we got our first consultancy clients, so we realized that fit and sizing is really something that small apparel businesses want to address.
Awesome. Well, let's give the coffee a taste.
I got a latte with whole milk, and I would say 9 out of 10. It's really sweet and has a really nice body.
I got a latte as well. Freshly brewed, creamy. They use their homemade milk with macadamia in it, which I love. 9.5.